Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Sites and pick the site page you'll edit. First, choose whether the link points to another page inside the site, a specific section on the page, an external URL, or a file in Drive. Once decided, place the cursor or select the element, text box, image, or button where the link will live. Make sure you're in edit mode. This immediately enables the insert controls so you can add the link without extra navigation. Now you'll create the link. Select the text, image, or button and click the link icon or press Ctrl+K. If linking internally, pick the site page or a section anchor. For external resources, paste the full URL including HTTPS. For Drive files, use the Drive picker and confirm sharing permissions. Choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab to control user flow. Once applied, add clear link text and immediately preview the site. Finish by publishing the site so your link becomes public at the published URL. Then test the live link in a new tab. If the link points to a Drive file and users can't access it, make sure you set sharing to anyone with the link or add specific viewers. Permissions are the usual culprit. If a link seems broken, use the Links panel or browser console to find errors and replace or recreate the link. This fixes common issues quickly and keeps navigation reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.